I was at the dentist a year ago and they had to do a cap on my tooth. And they put it through a 3D printer. They took photo images of everything and they took it, put it into a 3D printer, and they printed almost an identical piece of my tooth and capped it with ceramic.
But when I started seeing the capabilities for large scale 3D printing and then started to discover about 3D scanners and 3D printers, now it opened up a whole world of opportunity for industries to potentially solve their own problems on sites. For instance, let's say we had an HVAC fitting that had cracked, and it was a very particular fitting from overseas, and it was very expensive to replace or domestically. I see what your reaction there, but let's say it's going to take weeks to get, or they have to produce it, or it's very costly. Well, now we have the capability in our industry, and I guess almost any industry, to take that fitting, scan it, have someone model it, send the scan data off-site to a printer, produce that fitting for me, and I can send someone, drive across town, grab that fitting, be back on the job site that day. I have a very expensive trade on site that wants to finish up and be done by the end of the day. Well, now maybe they can be industries.